to the vlog. I'm Gabby from Gabberdashery, and today I'm going to talk about something completely different. So I'm going to talk to you about my teeth, my gnashers, because I did a video at the beginning of the year where I talked about how it was really holding me back, that my cancer treatment had left me with brown stained teeth. And long story short, someone was watching that video. My guardian angel, I think, was watching that video, and she just so happens to work with a dental company called Portman Dental, and they have unbelievably, so generously endorsed me to get my whole smile fixed. So not just my teeth being cleaned and whitened and everything, my whole smile is going to be fixed. So I wanted to take you on this journey. I am so excited. This morning is a very exciting day for me because in about an hour's time I'm about to go for my first appointment with them. I've got an initial consultation, a massive deep clean with the hygienist, and also a meeting with the orthodontist. So we're going to kind of work out my whole plan for my new smile. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of check in and do a little before, I guess. I am going to show you my teeth a lot. It's going to be quite vulnerable for me. And yeah, but here you go. This is what they're like before. So you can see the staining, especially at the bottom, is really bad. I call that my dead tooth. My dead tooth. But all of that is going to be no more soon, and I'm so excited. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this. This is completely different, I know, from anything I've done before, but it just didn't feel right to not take you with me on this little journey. And the next thing you'll see is me at the dentist. So the London Dental Surgery are the people who are going to take very good care of me. I've spoken to them lots. They are so lovely. I feel in really good, safe hands. And yeah, I'm just kind of painting my nails and getting ready to go. So I will see you there. Okay, I'm here at the dental surgery. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now we're in voiceover. This is the lovely Penny, my dentist. So she's showing me this amazing x-ray we did, and we did scans, and they're so thorough there. They even checked for mouth cancer, which obviously was a bit of a scary bit, but she was so lovely about it, and it's really good how thorough they are. It's amazing. They really care about you as a patient. And yeah, so this machine is incredible. It just shows up any bits that are of concern. And luckily I didn't have any. Okay, now I'm with Gemma, the hygienist, and she just did such an amazing job. If you are a little bit squeamish, you might want to look away for this bit, sorry, and I do get close up, but it's just amazing to see how these stains get washed off. And she did a lot by hand, she did a lot with machines, and none of it hurt. Not for a second. It was amazing. I really expected it to hurt. So yeah, here's a close-up. It's not very flattering of me, but isn't it amazing? Look at that. And here I am with Stuart, so he is the orthodontist, and he did another checkup, and they took a lot more pictures. Tilly, the nurse, took lots of pictures of my teeth. Here we go. And then we could kind of have a map of what I've got now and what we're kind of aiming to get after the braces. And we've decided to go with Invisalign because that's something that suits my lifestyle. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. And seeing what before and after, or what we're hoping to get after, I mean, that's so exciting. And you can see how crowded my teeth are. And yeah, I really like the after. So that is amazing that we're going to aim for that now. All of the technology completely blew me away, and they were so lovely. I felt so safe and secure throughout, and I am so thankful. Okay, so I just had my first day at the Dental Surgery London. Look at my teeth. I'm so excited. Look at them. So that is a very, very good start. That's just from the hygienist. Everyone was so lovely. Penny was so lovely. She did my initial consultation. She's worked out all the next things that are happening. Then Gemma, my hygienist, was gorgeous and just amazing at she's cleaned my teeth so well. And then Stuart, the orthodontist, and all of the lovely nurses, and Mia, who's doing the press here and been filming and taking photos. They're just all so lovely. I feel so well looked after. I'm unbelievably excited and I can't stop playing with my lovely clean teeth. So yeah, I've got braces coming and all sorts of other things, so I'll keep you posted. Hi, so I just wanted to check in just as I got back from the dentist to say that was amazing. Look at this! The Dental Surgery London has even given me a goodie bag. So, oh, they're so lovely there. They were all so lovely. So I've got that for my toothbrush and a very fancy nano antibacterial toothbrush and some sensitive toothpaste because my teeth are so clean and sensitive, and these as well for cleaning in between my teeth. So yeah, I will talk more about this because obviously you can hear I've got to look after my daughter, but I will talk more about this in a minute. Okay, so I just wanted to sign off because it's the end of the day, and I just wanted to thank Portman Dental Care and especially to the Dental Surgery London and all the lovely people there. Penny, Gemma, Stuart and Mia, and also Becky and Tilly. Everyone's been so lovely to me. I've honestly had such a special day. It really is changing my life. It means the world to me. I'm very, very emotional about this. And look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh, and also Selena, a really, really big shout out to Selena because she started this whole thing. She's the reason why I'm having it, and I'm so thankful for her. So yeah, and thank you guys all for watching this journey. I will keep you posted on what's happening next because next comes the braces, and I also will be going back for a filling and another hygienist appointment. Honestly, I loved my hygienist appointment. I think that was just really magical because I thought that would definitely be a really painful part, especially with all that staining and build-up. I thought it'd be really painful. It didn't hurt a bit. She was amazing. Gemma is like, I would fully recommend this place. If you can get to London and you can go to the Dental Surgery London, I couldn't recommend it more. Everyone there was amazing to me, and there wasn't a single second of pain or uncomfortableness or anything. And I'm someone who's had some really bad dental experiences, so I was a bit freaked out about that side of it. But honestly, I'm not just saying this, there wasn't a second of it. So I'm just over the moon because I can't stop smiling. I can't. Yay. Okay, anyway guys, I will see you soon. I love you lots. Bye. Bye.